Well, hello to all the ladies out there. Today I would like to talk about the condition that is caused by the imbalance of hormones in the female body. The condition is called polycystic ovaric syndrome, commonly called PCOS. So as females, we have three types of driving hormones in our body, namely estrogen, progesterone and testosterone. Even though testosterone is the dominant male hormone, as females we have a little bit of testosterone in our body as well. So, the symptoms of PCOS are, in general, irregular cycles, which can cause light bleeding to abnormally high bleeding. The ovaries can become enlarged, or there can be cysts in the ovaries. In addition to these symptoms, the other symptoms would be excess body hair, acne, hair fall or hair thinning, weight gain, especially in the abdomen area, and the inability to lose weight. So, the two conditions that cause PCOS are higher levels of testosterone in the female body and higher level of insulin in the female body. Both of these conditions can disrupt the imbalance in the hormones and cause this condition called PCOS. In addition to that, obesity can also cause PCOS, because obesity can give rise to a higher level of insulin, which can again cause the disruption of the hormone balance. PCOS can be diagnosed in two ways: by doing a blood test or a hormone test, which will clearly identify if there is any excess hormone in our body, or it can be diagnosed through an ultrasound, which will identify the ovaries, whether the ovaries are enlarged or the ovaries have cysts in them. So when it comes to the treatment, there are two methods. One is following the prescribed medication of doctors, which will continue for a certain period of time. But in addition to that, people can always opt for natural method, which is more safer, but which will take a lot of dedication and effort. So in the natural method, you will have to cut down certain types of food which is not good for PCOS, especially sugars, any food that can cause insulin, higher levels of insulin. In addition to that, you have to avoid all types of preserved foods, because preservatives can also increase the testosterone levels in the body. And you have to engage in more physical activity or certain light exercises which are prescribed for certain PCOS patients. So, lastly, to take a look at the complications of PCOS, one, it causes the condition called type 2 diabetes because of the higher level of insulin in the blood. It can also cause high blood pressure and heart problems, and also sometimes cause infertility. So the thing with PCOS is it does not have a prescribed cure. It can only be controlled. But engaging in natural methods, you can always reverse the symptoms and control it. So if you know anyone who is suffering from PCOS, please extend your support. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to help as much as I can. Be careful, spread this awareness. As women, it is our duty to take care of our body and lead a healthy life. Thank you very much.